what gives your projects an unparalleled gold finish, why gold leafing, of course. And this video goes over just that. This is how to gold leaf. You want to start off with a clean, dry project. This bed crown I washed with lukewarm water and regular dish soap. If you are gold leafing metal, plastic, or resin, you might want to prime your surface for easier application. I'm using a spray-on primer. You can also prime certain pieces with 220 grit sandpaper. Because the bed crown was left outside to dry for a time, I first tack clothed the crown to remove any debris. This is an optional step, but you can paint the surface that you're applying the gold leaf. This will help camouflage any areas of missed gold leaf application, which can happen pretty easily, especially on an intricate textured surface like this one. Then you want to apply the appropriate adhesive for your project. I am applying a metal leaf adhesive. This I got from Hobby Lobby. After applying the adhesive, you want to make sure you wait until the adhesive gets tacky. For this adhesive, I waited 45 minutes. Finally, it is time to apply your gold leaf. Start on one end of your project and overlap each sheet. Use a soft brush to push the metal leaf into the crevices of the project. Don't worry, the leaf does not have to be perfect. It is going to look really nice after once it all adheres to the adhesive. Try to work in an area with minimal airflow to prevent the gold leaf from flying around, which will make application a lot more difficult. You can use excess gold leaf flakes to fill in any gaps that you may have missed, or even apply a second application of gold leaf. Use an extra piece of tissue paper. This usually comes with a gold leaf to polish the gold leaf on your project. This will help enhance the shine of the gold leaf, which is important because this particular sealant actually dulls the gold leaf. Next is the most cumbersome part of this entire process, brushing off the excess gold leaf. Use a soft brush in order to do so. You can also use gentle motions with some excess tissue paper to remove excess gold leaf. After that, you can apply your sealant. This is really important, especially with cases of metal leaf application. This is not real gold, so this is more likely to oxidize and tarnish over time, and the sealant will prevent that. For this sealant, the instructions are to wet your brush prior to application of sealant. I would absolutely not do that because that exposes the metal leaf to water, which will prematurely oxidize the metal, discoloring it, as what happened to me with this project. So just apply the sealant with a brush as is. The sealant itself is very watery. And wait for the sealant to fully dry. I waited 24 hours and you're done. You can now enjoy your gold leaf project.